Here's how to edit or add text in a Canva template. So once you open your template in Canva, you can just click the text and then double click in, and you can start editing your template just like that. Instead of monthly, we just change it to weekly. And we can also do this 3 things to focus on this week. And let's say you want to add another text, you can actually copy Control or Command C and then Command V to paste, or Control V to paste. Okay, let me just delete this. So another way to add text is to hover over your left panel on the text button here and then click on a text to add to your page. If you are looking to put a heading, you can click this one here and then you can start editing the text. Okay, so it depends what kind of text you want to use. If you want to use a subheading, something like this, you can click on this add a subheading, or a body text which is a little bit smaller. Okay, so that's pretty simple on how to add or edit text in your Canva template.